Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making akara, the Nigerian akara, the Ghanaian cues. So now I've already washed the beans and we're about to blend now. I like adding pepper and onions to my akara for that extra spice and flavor, and of course we'll have salt to taste. Now when you're blending, if you want to do akara at home, you have to have a high processor blender. That way it's going to be very smooth, because we'll need a smooth paste for the akara to come out well. And when we are blending akara, we add little water. If you are going outside to blend, please tell those blending that it's akara, so that they know the amount of water to add. The amount of water I added, just a little, then we'll cover, and then we are going to blend. Our akara, we've gotten the paste we want to make the akara. You will have to stir. You can use your whisker or use your stapler. You keep stirring. Stir for about 3 to 5 minutes so that it will have a good mixture before we can add salt and start frying. Please observe the consistency of our akara paste. It's not runny, it's not watery. At this point, we'll add salt to taste. Adding salt is the last you will do before you start frying. Don't add your salt earlier so that it doesn't get watery. We're about to start frying. Observe, I'm using a pot. You have to use a deep pot or a deep pan to fry so that the oil doesn't splash out. Now I'm using my measuring cup to scoop. Your oil should be medium heat, not too hot so that it doesn't burn. So let's go ahead. With the help of your skewer, you turn to the other side. Oh, this is beautiful. We are taking this with pap, hot pap and milk, liquid milk. Can you feel me? You're going to love it. Our akara is ready. This is one of the easiest food to make for you and your family, and I enjoy it to the max. Can you see this? Very beautiful. Add the serviette paper to drain it of some oil by the side. What are you going to take this with? Let me know in the comment section what you're going to take this with. We are taking in the next batch. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If this video has been of any help to you, please smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be taking this with. I'll be taking mine with hot pap with liquid milk and natural honey. The second set is ready. Wow. Do you like what you're seeing? So this is our end product. This is my hot akara, hot pap with milk and my natural honey. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.